to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2026 Audi S5. The 2026 Audi S5 is here, and it's setting new standards for performance, technology, and style. When Audi replaces the ABE with an S on its badges, it signals a transformation into a high-performance marvel, and the S5 is no exception. The 2026 Audi S5 takes the legacy of its predecessor and amplifies it with a potent six-cylinder engine and sport-tuned suspension. The outgoing S5 Sportback, which debuted in 2018, already impressed with its 349 horsepower turbocharged V6, capable of sprinting from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.3 seconds. The new 2026 model raises the stakes with a 362 horsepower twin-turbocharged V6 and a tech-rich interior packed with advanced features. This evolution isn't just about speed. It's about redefining the driving experience with cutting-edge technology and unparalleled luxury. The 2026 Audi S5 isn't just a facelift version of the outgoing model. Here's what's fresh. Upgraded powertrain. A new 362 horsepower twin-turbo V6 engine for enhanced performance. Modern technology. A completely revamped interior with advanced driver assistance features and more modern conveniences. Streamlined body style. The S5 sedan will be the sole body style offered moving forward. Audi has always been synonymous with luxury, and the 2026 S5 takes it to the next level. Both the outgoing and new generation S5 models feature a hatchback cleverly concealed within their sleek, sloping rooflines. The new model offers even more cargo space and a slightly roomier back seat, making it practical for families or long trips. Expect heated, massaging front seats, a 3-zone climate control system, a sunroof, and keyless entry with push-button start. These features come standard, ensuring every drive feels luxurious. At the heart of the 2026 S5 is a turbocharged V6 engine delivering 362 horsepower. Paired with all-wheel drive and a dual-clutch automatic transmission, this setup is a step up from the outgoing model's 349 horsepower engine and 8-speed automatic. The new dual-clutch transmission offers quick, seamless shifts, enhancing the car's responsiveness on the road. The updated chassis demonstrated better balance in corners, while its firm yet forgiving ride continues to provide ample cornering grip. The price of the 2026 Audi S5 is expected to start around $59,195 and go up to $66,000 depending on the trim and options. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.